Blueberries, those tiny, vibrant jewels of the produce aisle, are more than just a tasty treat. They're packed with nutrients that can supercharge your brain health. We're talking enhanced memory, sharper focus, and long-term cognitive benefits. Let's dig into the science behind these little blue wonders and how they can unlock your brain's full potential. We often focus on complex brain games and supplements to sharpen our minds. But what if the answer was as simple as adding a handful of blueberries to your daily diet? Intrigued? Keep reading to discover the incredible brain-boosting power of blueberries. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural health benefits and delicious recipes. Antioxidants are essential for neutralizing harmful free radicals in our bodies. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and disease. Our brains, being highly metabolic organs, are particularly vulnerable to free radical damage. Blueberries are antioxidant powerhouses loaded with anthocyanins, vitamin C, and other potent compounds that combat oxidative stress in the brain. This protective effect helps safeguard brain cells from damage, keeping them healthy and functioning at their best. Incorporating blueberries into your diet is like giving your brain a daily dose of powerful antioxidants, helping to maintain its vitality and resilience. Flavonoids, a group of plant compounds found abundantly in blueberries, have garnered significant attention for their cognitive benefits. These remarkable compounds have a unique ability to cross the blood-brain barrier, providing direct access to our brain cells. Once inside the brain, flavonoids work their magic by enhancing communication between neurons. They do this by improving signaling pathways and promoting neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form new connections. This enhanced connectivity translates to improved memory, learning, and overall cognitive function. Think of flavonoids as the architects of your brain, constantly improving and expanding its network for optimal performance. Section 5. Reducing inflammation, a key to cognitive health. Chronic inflammation is increasingly recognized as a culprit in various health conditions, including cognitive decline. When inflammation persists in the brain, it can impair cognitive function and increase the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Blueberries, with their potent anti-inflammatory properties, can help combat this insidious threat. They contain compounds that effectively reduce the production of inflammatory molecules in the brain, protecting delicate brain cells from damage. By keeping inflammation in check, blueberries create a healthier environment for optimal brain function and long-term cognitive health. Section 6. Blueberries in action, research and studies. The brain-boosting benefits of blueberries aren't just anecdotal. They're backed by a growing body of scientific research. Studies have consistently shown that regular blueberry consumption can lead to significant improvements in cognitive function, particularly in areas of memory, learning, and executive function. One study found that older adults who consume blueberry juice daily for 12 weeks experienced significant improvements in memory and learning compared to a control group. Another study showed that blueberries could enhance cognitive performance in children. These promising findings highlight the potential of blueberries to benefit brain health across the lifespan. Section 7. Simple blueberry recipes to jumpstart your day. Now that we've explored the remarkable brain-boosting benefits of blueberries, let's talk about how to incorporate them into your daily routine. Here are 3 simple and delicious blueberry recipes that are perfect for a brain-boosting breakfast or snack. These recipes are not only delicious but also incredibly easy to make, ensuring that you can enjoy the cognitive benefits of blueberries without sacrificing time or convenience. So grab your blender, your favorite bowl, and let's get cooking. Section 8. Smoothie Power, blend your way to brain power. Start your day with a refreshing and revitalizing blueberry smoothie that will fuel both your body and mind. Ingredients. 1 cup frozen blueberries. Blueberries are not only delicious but also packed with antioxidants that help protect your brain from oxidative stress. 1 ripe banana, sliced and frozen. Bananas are a great source of potassium, which is essential for maintaining proper brain function and communication between brain cells. 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is rich in protein, which provides sustained energy and helps keep you full longer. 1/4 cup almond milk. Almond milk is a great dairy-free alternative that adds a creamy texture to your smoothie. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Chia seeds are tiny powerhouses packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain health. 1/2 teaspoon honey, optional. Honey adds a touch of natural sweetness without the need for refined sugars. Instructions. 1. Combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth and creamy. Make sure to blend thoroughly to break down the chia seeds and ensure a smooth texture. 2. Add more almond milk if needed to reach the desired consistency. You can adjust the thickness of your smoothie by adding more or less almond milk depending on your preference. 3. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh blueberries and a sprig of mint. This smoothie is a powerhouse of brain-boosting nutrients. It's not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a boost for your brain. The blueberries provide antioxidants and flavonoids, which help improve memory and cognitive function. The banana offers potassium for brain cell communication, ensuring that your brain cells can send and receive messages efficiently. The Greek yogurt contributes protein for sustained energy, keeping you alert and focused throughout the day. And the chia seeds add a boost of omega-3 fatty acids for brain health, which are essential for maintaining the structure and function of your brain cells. Enjoy this delicious smoothie and give your brain the nourishment it deserves. Section 10, Yogurt Parfait, a layered delight for a sharper mind. Indulge in a visually appealing and deliciously layered yogurt parfait that's as good for your brain as it is for your taste buds. Ingredients: half a cup plain Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup blueberries, asterisk, 1 tablespoon honey. Instructions: 1. Layer yogurt, granola, blueberries, and honey in a glass or bowl. 2. Repeat layers as desired. 3. Enjoy immediately. This parfait is a symphony of textures and flavors, with the creamy yogurt, crunchy granola, juicy blueberries, and sweet honey all complementing each other perfectly. It's a light and refreshing breakfast or snack that will keep you feeling full and focused throughout the day. Section 11, Conclusion. Embrace the blueberry brain power boost. Incorporating blueberries into your diet is a simple yet powerful way to unlock your brain's full potential. These small, vibrant berries are not just delicious, they are a powerhouse of nutrients that can significantly enhance your cognitive abilities. These tiny fruits are packed with a potent combination of antioxidants, flavonoids, and other nutrients that work synergistically to protect, enhance, and optimize brain function. The antioxidants in blueberries help combat oxidative stress, which is a major factor in the aging process and cognitive decline. From improving memory and learning to reducing inflammation and protecting against cognitive decline, the benefits of blueberries for brain health are undeniable. Studies have shown that regular consumption of blueberries can lead to better memory retention and faster learning capabilities. They also help in reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. So, whether you enjoy them fresh, frozen, in smoothies, or as a topping for your favorite dishes, make blueberries a regular part of your dietary repertoire. You can add them to your morning cereal, blend them into a refreshing smoothie, or simply snack on them throughout the day. Your brain will thank you for it. The consistent intake of blueberries can lead to noticeable improvements in your mental clarity and overall cognitive function. Embrace the blueberry brain power boost and experience the transformative effects of these tiny but mighty fruits on your cognitive health and well-being. By making blueberries a staple in your diet, you are investing in a healthier, sharper, and more vibrant mind. Subscribe to our channel for more information on natural health remedies and delicious recipes. Stay tuned and keep your brain and body in top shape.